Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai on his birth anniversary today, the 20th of Jan 2021, remembering the great Lala Lajpat Rai ji on his Jayanti. His contribution to India's freedom struggle is indelible and inspires people across generations. PM Modi posted on Twitter, Lala Lajpat Rai was one of the three in the Lal Bal Pal trio. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. He led a silent march against the Simon Commission in 1928. Born on January 28, 1865, Lala Lajpat Rai was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. Lala Lajpat Rai is popularly known as Punjab Kesari or the Lion of Punjab. He was a great leader, historian, eminent editor, social and religious reformer, and a powerful orator. Lala Lajpat Rai actively campaigned for Swadeshi and propagated the message of self-reliance in India and abroad. He also founded the Servants of the People's Society at Lahore in 1921, which did remarkable works in various fields. He was elected as a president of the Indian National Congress in 1920. Lala Lajpat Rai died while leading a demonstration against the Simon Commission in Lahore, now in Pakistan, on November 17, 1928. Let's hear about his story today. Press the bell icon on YouTube and never miss another update. The shots that hit me are the last nails to the coffin of British rule in India. That was a famous quote by Lala Lajpat Rai, aka Lion of Punjab. Lala Lajpat Rai was born on January 28, 1865 to Munshi Radha Krishna Azad and Gulab Devi at Tudiki village in Firozpur district. His father was a great scholar of Persian and Urdu, while his mother was a strict religious lady and inculcated in her children strong moral values. His family values allowed Lala Lajpat Rai the freedom of having different faiths and beliefs. Lajpat Rai received his elementary education in the school where his father was posted as a teacher. Lajpat Rai joined the government college at Lahore in 1880 to study law. While in college, he came in contact with patriots and future freedom fighters like Lala Hansraj and Pandit Guru Dutt. He studied law from Government College in Lahore and thereafter started his legal practice in Hisar, Haryana. Since childhood, he had a desire to serve his country and therefore took a pledge to free it from foreign rule. In 1884, his father was transferred to Rohtak and Lala Lajpat Rai came along. In 1886, the family shifted to Hisar where he practiced law. Thereafter, Lala Lajpat Rai helped to establish the nationalist Dayanand Anglo-Vedic school and became a follower of Dayanand Saraswati. In 1888 and 1889, he was a delegate to the annual sessions of the National Congress. He moved to Lahore to practice before the High Court in 1892. In 1895, Rai helped found the Punjab National Bank, demonstrating his concern for self-help and enterprise. In 1897, he founded the Hindu Orphan Relief Movement to keep the Christian missions from securing custody of these children. In the National Congress in 1900, he stressed the importance of constructive national building activity and programs for self-reliance. Gradually, Lala Lajpat Rai had curtailed his legal practice and was concentrating all his efforts to free the nation from British. In October 1917, he founded the Indian Home Rule League of America in New York. In 1920, after his return from America, Lala Lajpat Rai was invited to preside over the special session for the Congress in Calcutta, now Kolkata. He plunged into the non-cooperation movement, which was being launched in the response of the Rowlatt Act. In principle, the movement was led by Lala Lajpat Rai in Punjab, and he soon came to be known as Punjab Kesari, the Lion of Punjab. Besides a great freedom fighter and leader, Lala Lajpat Rai was also a noted writer. The United States of America, Hindus, Impressions and a Study, History of the Arya Samaj, Swaraj and Social Change, England's Debt to India, India, the Problems of National Education in India were among the books he had written. On October 30th, 1928, to boycott the arrival of the members of the Simon Commission in Lahore, a peaceful procession headed by Lala Lajpat Rai was launched. Intercepting the march, Superintendent of Police Scott ordered his police force to lathi charge at the activists. The police targeted Lala Lajpat Rai in particular and hit him on the chest. The confrontation left Lala Lajpat Rai with severe injuries and also led to his death. To take revenge to the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh and his associates plotted the assassination of Scott, but the revolutionaries, mistaking J.P. Saunders, an assistant superintendent of police, as Scott, killed him instead.
कदे जांदी ना बुझाई गोलियां ना भुन दिता पाउंदा सी दुहाई बदले दी अग कदे जांदी ना बुझाई गोलियां ना भुन दिता पाउंदा सी दुहाई सूर में सदा ही देश कौम नूं बचाउंदे लोको जाना वार के योधियां ने लाला जी दा लिया बदला पापी गोरा मार के अजे असी लाला जी दा लिया बदला पापी गोरा मार के पापी गोरा मार के पापी गोरा मार के लाश लाला जी दी साखों वेखी ना गई जेड़ी अग विच सारा देश मचदा है सातों सेकी ना गई सौ खादी अज असी पूरी कर दित्ती महंगा मुल तार के योधियां ने लाला जी दा लिया बदला पापी गोरा मार के योधियां ने लाला जी दा लिया बदला पापी गोरा मार के पापी गोरा मार के पापी गोरा मार के साडे उत्ते केड़ी गल्लों बनदा कानून गोरियो चोका वांगू चूसिया ते रज रज पीता साडा खून गोरियो ਸੂਰਮੇ ਨਾ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਮਦਾਨੋਂ ਭੱਜਦੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਹੀ ਬਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਰ ਕੇ ਰੋਂਦਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਲਿਆ ਬਦਲਾ ਪਾਪੀ ਗੋਰਾ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਲਿਆ ਬਦਲਾ ਪਾਪੀ ਗੋਰਾ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪਾਪੀ ਗੋਰਾ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਪਾਪੀ ਗੋਰਾ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ
If you haven't pressed the bell icon, press it now, and we would love to know your feedback in the comment section below. Till then, love.